I will be discussing the exposure of technology and its positive impact on students. This explores how students are able to be successful with the use of technology in and outside of the classroom, and how the correct use of technology can benefit all individuals, even most times within the school system. Let's first understand the importance of technology and what it can be used for and how it is used. In 2 videos, it discusses the significance of participatory culture and how it successfully structures individuals' use on technology. The first video shows how every individual can have access to social media platforms and websites through technology. Participatory culture shows how there are opportunities for individuals to be a part of a community, to connect, share, learn, and observe from one another. In the second video, Henry Jenkins shares his view on participatory culture, that communities come together online, that there is no complete right or wrong statements or opinions that individuals share, that there are own levels of expertise and knowledge when it comes to a certain topic of concept with each individual. Participatory culture encourages and promotes people to engage with one another and share their different experiences. In the reading, Confronting the Challenges of Participatory Culture, Media Education for the 21st Century, Henry Jenkins explores various ways where students have utilized technology as a tool to create as a resource for others to use and successfully connect with, along with the long-term success that most of these creators had in the aftermath. In the very introduction of the reading, there are examples provided of how technology benefits both students and curriculum within the classroom. One example he shares is a 14-year-old girl named Heather Lawyer who wanted to help others around her age improve on the reading and writing skills that they were struggling with. She decided to have a website that had staff of more than 100 people across the world. This became successful and was integrated in their school's curriculum later on. Another example shared was of Josh Meter, who utilized technology to express his passion of animation and share with others. The results gave him a successful animation film and gave him the opportunity to further expand his passions in bigger areas in media. Through the reading, we can see that the use of technology has become versatile for every individual to be able to use. Versatile in what people can do through being a blogger, influencer, artist, and etc. Individuals are becoming creators and gaining bigger opportunities for themselves while also learning at the same time. They are creating these opportunities for themselves. Although technology is positively looked within most individuals within our society today, especially within the millennial group and younger, many within the older groups feel that technology is an overbearing tool that distracts the young age and generations of people and hinders them from being truly successful.
This then persuades both parents and teachers to become disapproving of what students utilize technology on every single thing. Parents and teachers often share their annoyance of how students and younger individuals are constantly on their phones and other technology devices. Jenkins, in a way, counter-argues this as he mentions that there needs to be a strong support system from others in order for individuals to create and share with others online. This in particular is for parents and teachers to understand. In order for individuals that are creators or inspiring to be creators to be successful while using technology. In the 2 videos analyzed from before, I would have to personally agree that technology is a useful tool and should be incorporated in and outside of the classroom, especially in curriculum. Through educators, there should be careful consideration of how technology will be integrated within class material. Overall, both the videos and readings share a in-depth understanding of how technology can be a significant tool and resource for individuals to use within the classroom and outside of the classroom.